If you like what you see, subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel.
I'm sure people will be hosting parties and dinner parties, and you may have weddings, you name it. Let me show you how. So let's get started. Set up your buffet table. Cloth the table. Place the clips on the edge of the table approximately 1 foot apart. Select a starting point and work yourself around the table, attaching the skirting to the clips. Okay, let's review. Skirt the table, then place the stand in place, add the water pan, hot water, cover, place the fuel under, then you light, place the food in, remove the cover, and serve. This is called silver service, also called English service. And this is where the server uses a spoon and fork to take the food up and put it on the guest plate. So, the plate which is going to be placed on the table have to be hot. Hot. If it's going to be good silver service, it's going to be hot. So hot food is served in hot plate, warm plate, and cold food served in cold plates. Then you're really going to use a different set of utensils to take up the rice, or if you're going to serve potatoes. Right. So that's how you do silver service. Now time for the chopsticks. So you're going to hold the first one, you're going to put it between your thumb like that and use your 3 fingers to hold it. You're going to hold it firm. Okay? And then the other one, you hold it just like you're going to write. Like you're writing. Make sure they're level, and then you open and close. So you pick up like that. Pick up. Okay? And then you eat. That's good. You don't just sit there and look at him. Take it up, hold it by the stem, of course, and when I say hold it by the stem, you don't hold wine glass here, you hold it here. Okay? So you're gonna smell it. You're gonna stir it around a bit. You smell. When you do that, it brings out that aroma, that smell. And then what you do, you put it on the tip of your tongue. And you taste. And you tell him, he said yes. Now if it doesn't taste right, don't say yes, tell him no. It doesn't taste right. He will go and get you another bottle of wine that tastes right. Okay? And what he will do, after you taste, he's going to serve ladies around the table. Ladies first, and then the gentlemen.
I'm inquiring for some staffing for this weekend and probably the following week.
Well, I need about 6 servers for Sunday from 11 to 3 for.
Honestly, like me admire when time people achieve them things and then comfortable and then happy. You know? You know, some people when you achieve something, everybody first starts oh they're an hype and him bad man, you know, him this and that, him show off, him extra and that like me love them lifestyle. Like, hey dating, I love it, I love it, I love it. Save a seat for me so I can come braff. Okay?
After each course is completed, the server or waiter will remove the finished plate from a table along with the corresponding silver. And there's no need for you to remove the plate. The server will remove it, making room for. Normally we wear gloves when we are carrying the glasses around. So you pick up the first glass like this. Second one you put between your fingers. And then the third one, you put it there. And then you can carry another one. So you carry 4 glasses. Some people are very skillful and they will carry another one here. You know, so that's 4. And then they will carry another 1 or 2 over here. Okay? Always remember to wear your gloves. Even before this pandemic came about, managers, supervisors were very, very strict about the servers wearing their gloves. You pick up the glasses and you fit them between your finger. Watch me carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? The last time I carried 21, but let me show you the tricky part. So, with all the glasses, you're going to put them here and you're going to stop them. Let me only have 3 more. So you're going to stop them right here. And they're not going to fall. Something like that. And you go all the way up. But I'm going to turn it to you and show you exactly how that is done. So you put the first one there, second one there, third one there, and you go up. Something like that. And you polish them. We don't use the word shine. We say polish. Don't want to hear anybody talking about shining the silver. Polish. So you hold them like this. Now you got to be very careful how you hold the utensils. Anywhere that touches the mouth, you don't hold it with your hand. So for instance, I don't want to see people holding silverware like this. You're going to hold them at the tip. So after you pour the water onto the silvers, you're going to hold them like this with a napkin or a polishing cloth, and you're going to polish like this. Polish, right? Not shine. So you polish. Make sure there's no finger mark on them. Polish. Gotta keep your hands clean, man.
Gotta do it.
Check these comments by my past students, my associates, and my co-workers. It feels good to know that your past students and your co-workers and your associates appreciate you. Thanks very much. Keep the positive going. You're going to fold, the first one, we're going to make what we call a bishop cap. And some people call it a crown. So you're going to hold your napkins like this, fold it in half, right? Let the open side turn towards you, and you pick up a left, fold it to the top, and right to the bottom. I guess my left may be your right and my right be your left, but anyway, you understand what I'm saying. Then you turn the napkin over, and you will see where the top runs parallel with the bottom. You're going to fold it in the middle, in the center. So you fold it in the center like that, and then you flick out the right, take it to the top, then you fold the left, bring over the top, turn it over, and you're going to tuck here in the little pockets. That little pocket there, you're going to tuck it. And look at that, how beautiful it is. That is called a bishop cap. Okay? Right. I'm going to give this one a try. Can make this one. Alright, so you fold. Alright, turn it over. And bottom to top. Then we're going to pull this out. And fold. Right. And you're going to pull this over. Turn it over. And tuck it on there. Oh my God. This is bad, as we Jamaicans would say. Cut the top of the pineapple off, then core the inside. Cut the center piece out. Put some pineapple chunks in the blender. Add ice, about half cup of ice. 1 ounce white rum, 2 ounce coconut cream, and 3 ounces pineapple juice. Well, I'll add a little more rum. Then you blend. pour into the pineapple cup. Garnish with straw, parsley, and the cherry cover, and taste. One more. This is wicked. So once you finish setting up your dining area and guest starts arriving, the hostess will welcome and seat the guests in one of the appropriate stations. And the server will introduce themselves, pour water, offer bread, and also offer a cocktail. We take the order in the following sequence: cocktail first, appetizer, then the soup, salad. So, some people will have soup or salad, some people will have both, and then the entree, and after you will take the dessert, coffee and tea